Hello all, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So welcome to the KSJ family. I'm your friend, your mentor, CS Saurav Jindal, bringing you a very special announcement by the ICAI. Sir, what's that special announcement? The breaking news is that the revision test paper, that is the RTPs for May 2023 attempt, have been released by the institute, one of the most important materials of the ICAI, I would say. So guys, as I told you in the evening, I just posted on the YouTube community, go check it out, that now it's time. It's time for what? It's time for the practice, right? And that is why the institute have released the practice papers, right? I think institute was listening. So institute have released the practice papers. I just announced in my live batch also. And thanks to one of our students, Afzal Qureshi from the live batch, during the live batch, he just checked and announced that, sir, the RTPs have been released, and we checked that yes, actually these have been released. So one of the most important documents from the examination point of view for scoring very good marks. This attempt RTP, last few attempt RTP, very important guys, right? So all those who have joined my all-rounder course, the KSJ Teaching all-rounder course, they will get this RTP updated in their course very soon. And all those who wish to join, it is currently available in Hindi version, and all those who wish to join this particular course, Costing All-Rounder, covering ICAI SM previous year questions, RTPs, MTPs, everything from May 2018, they can go to our website, that is www.ksjteaching.org. All the links are given in the description of this video. Go check it out, guys, and all the best for your preparation. It's high time. The time is less for May 2023. Do not waste even a single minute of your preparation, right? It's time to spend each and every minute with your books and get the best of marks, prepare well. That's very important, and be positive. You will definitely score very good marks. Okay, so that was the information that I wanted to share with all of you. Thank you so much, guys. All the best. God bless you all.